What are the top 5 metrics every marketer needs to be tracking this year? Well, we did the hard work for you and spoke to hundreds of our users to figure out which metrics matter the most right now. And we turned those answers into our collection of the very best free Google Sheets templates built for marketers. You can find them all on our website. All of these templates connect to your live data, whether it's in Google Analytics, MailChimp, HubSpot, Google Search Console, or even ad platforms like Facebook ads and LinkedIn ads. Now let's take a look at those top 5 metrics that matter most and the dashboards that we've built for each of those top 5 metrics to help you keep track of them and share them with your business stakeholders. First off, you need to be carefully tracking your website traffic and which channels are driving that traffic. We've put together this dashboard, which connects to your live Google Analytics 4 data to show you monthly traffic and breakdowns, such as which device types are your users using, what countries are they based in, and even what landing pages are they tending to land on the most. Next up, take a look at this dashboard tracking how your marketing efforts are converting into paid sales opportunities. This template connects to one of your CRMs, so either HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive, and will show you based on advertising spending and any other marketing campaigns that you're doing, how many deals are being created in your CRM and how many deals is the sales team actually closing. This is the best way to prove to your business how the marketing team is driving real revenue effort. The next metric that we're hearing about a lot this year is CTR, or click-through rate. This dashboard and metric are powered by Google Search Console, where you can see how many people are searching for keywords that are bringing them to results related to your website. And of the people that are getting impressions on Google search, how many of them are actually clicking on the links to your website, which is how we calculate click-through rate over here. Related to your CTR metric, the next metric is how much branded traffic you're getting. This dashboard is also powered by Google Search Console, and this will actually show you how many people are searching for your company name on Google each month and how many of those users are clicking through to your website. Branded traffic is an important metric to look at because this will actually show how many people are intentionally searching for your company as opposed to just searching for other keywords that you might be ranking highly for in SEO. What I especially love about this dashboard is that you can look at it in multiple views, such as displaying results by country or by device type. And in the same dashboard, you have the option to look at branded, non-branded, and all search queries in the same place at once. And the final metric you need to be keeping your eyes on in 2024 is your social media growth. This dashboard is especially powerful because it's bringing in data from multiple social media platforms, in this case, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And it's combining all of those results to show you one clean view in one single spreadsheet. Let's open up Coefficient from the top extensions menu to see how these imports are refreshing each day. As you can see, this dashboard is powered off of separate imports from Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, as I mentioned. To make this even more useful in our day-to-day, we can actually set up a refresh schedule. So all 3 of these imports will refresh every hour or once a day. In this case, let's set it to refresh once a day at 5 a.m. I'll click Apply Schedule, and now I never need to come back in here and make sure that my imports are going to be live. And there you have it. Those are our top 5 metrics every marketer needs to be keeping their eyes on in 2024. I hope you found this information useful, and I hope you love your new powerful connected dashboards.